what I'm doing here in Cremona, always in Cremona. For more than 70 years, many people have passed through this courtyard, souls and bodies that make sure this industrial work, which is me, does not settle, but constantly evolves and progresses. What makes a work of art or a scientific breakthrough change the way we perceive things, therefore succeeding in questioning the knowledge embedded in society? The ingenuity of a creator who drew inspiration from a personal and introspective experience, and as a result, knows how to move consciously and carefully in his historical context. No company exists without these prerequisites. It's exciting to know that brilliant, creative and curious minds want to build an innovative future, to experience it in a tangible way. To do so, they measure themselves against more structured skills with those who carry out field tests and recognize the changes and needs of the milling sector. It's fascinating to observe this intellectual exchange between academic research and my department, Ocrim's R&D department. As a consequence, through targeted research, our ambitious goals have developed into tangible, innovative results to be applied to the milling sector. Despite the changes taking place in the postmodern era and the opportunity to relocate production, they decided that I would stay here in Italy, in Cremona, where my roots are. Are they crazy? No, they simply argue that design, quality and technological innovation are the key elements that bear witness to a work done by stubborn minds and skilled hands. The projects implemented are aimed at introducing myself well, to showcase the work conceived exclusively inside of me. I wouldn't be here if not for the wisdom, self-will and foresight of those who believed in me. These people are fully aware of their time and have been able to look past the present, just like the greatest artists do, who are both crazy and visionaries. Albert Einstein claimed he never thought about the future, as it comes soon enough. In my opinion, the purpose of the present is to shape the future in all its dimensions, and therefore to help me crystallize my thoughts. Am I comparing myself to Einstein? No, I don't do physics. Today, I wonder, where will I be in 100 years? How far beyond my current expectations will I go? What I know for sure is that what I create today was utopia yesterday, for me too. And in 100 years, I will have created what I now call magic. How'll I do it? By listening to all of you without you even noticing.